बीटेक खत्म हो गई है या होने वाली है और अब हर तरफ से एक ही आवाज आ रही है, गेट दे या फिर कैट क्रैक कर। नो मैटर व्हाट द सैलरी पैकेज इज, यू वोंट बी हैप्पी इफ यू हेट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग एवरी सिंगल डे। कैट परसेंटाइल इज नॉट द ओनली थिंग दैट इज नीडेड फॉर योर एडमिशन. It is possible that even a guy who got 99.9 percentile still get rejected from Blackie, and a guy who just got 99 or 98 converts it. Hello everyone, welcome to the CrackUs YouTube channel. तो भाई गेट दे या फिर कैट क्रैक कर, और आप वहां पर बैठे बैठे कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो कि भाई मैं करूं तो करूं क्या, बोलूं तो बोलूं क्या. Here's the problem. Most videos compare these two on just one thing, that is salary, but that is not how the real decisions work. इस वीडियो के एंड तक आपके पास एक क्लियर फ्रेमवर्क होगा अपने पर्सनालिटी के हिसाब से, अपने गोल्स के हिसाब से, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ हाउ यू वांट योर लाइफ आफ्टर 5 years. After doing so much in-depth research and analysis, we have divided this video into 5 sections, and each section has a decision-making key at the end. So make sure you stick for every part of the video. Section 1: Domain expertise and strategic decision-making leadership. Before we talk numbers, packages or college names, I want you to answer one honest question. Are you a domain expert or a strategic leader? If you love your engineering branch, you enjoy solving technical problems, you want to go deeper into what you have studied, that's the domain person. GATE is built for you. If you are someone who enjoys people, strategy, business, convincing others and building systems around people, that is the strategic leader. CAT is built for you. Keep this in mind. Everything else flows from this. Because bhai, no matter what the salary package is, you won't be happy if you hate what you are doing every single day. Section 2: Gate with multiple gates. Here is where it gets interesting. Gate doesn't give you just one outcome, it gives you two very different ones. But before we get into those options, ये चीज लिख के रख लो. Get rank under 500. Yes, rank under 500. That's the number that unlocks both good PSU opportunities and a seat in a top IIT. Everything below that rank and your options will start reducing fast. Keep that number in mind as we move ahead. Option 1: the PSU government job. Clear gate with a rank under 500 and sometimes even less than 100 depending on branch, PSU and vacancies. And companies like BHEL, ONGC, IOCL, NTPC and PowerGrid become real possibilities. The salary, you are looking at 70,000 to 1.3 lakh in hand per month with a CTC ranging from 8 to 20 lakhs per year. And भाई, if you are like कि अब तो सरकारी नौकरी लग गई है, सब chill होगा. Is that the case? Honestly, no. Ask any PSU employee today and they will tell you that the workload has gone up. But the stability, job security and benefits, this combination is still unmatched anywhere else. If security and a respectable life are your definition of success, this path is genuinely for you. Option 2: MTech from IITs, same rank benchmark under 500. But you are going deeper into your domain instead of stepping into a job. In GATE CSE alone, around 2 lakh students register every year. Getting into top 500 out of 2 lakh, that's roughly top 0.25%. So, whether you are chasing PSU or IIT, the standard is same. The competition is real and you have to earn that rank either way. Now, from a top IIT, Bombay, Delhi, Madras, Kharagpur, MTech placements in CSE, AIML, electronics and electrical can be genuinely excellent. Packages that compete with good MBA colleges. Also, if you want to go for further studies, you can go for PhDs. One thing to keep in mind though, in IIT placements, MTech students share the same campus with the BTech students who cleared JEE Advanced. Same company, same placement season. That's a real dynamic you need to prepare for mentally. The key insight here is GATE is a high reward path no matter what direction you take it. But rank under 500 is non-negotiable. That's your gateway to the stable government career and to the top IIT seat. Section 3: Heavy CAT packages reality. हाँ भाई, 30 लाख का पैकेज चाहिए है, आ जाओ लगवा देंगे. फॉरेन ट्रिप्स पे जाना है, आ जाओ करा देंगे. Have you also heard like that कि IIMs में तो मजे ही मजे, पर इस बात में कितनी सच्चाई है, let's see. In some IIMs, student get 7 lakh, 8 lakh packages after investing 20 lakhs. So what is the complete picture? Let's uncover. Firstly, there are around 20 MBA colleges in India that have an average package of 20 LPA plus. And यदि फ्यूचर ब्राइट करना है तो ब्लैकी में जाना होगा. By Blackie, I mean IIM Bangalore, Lucknow, Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Kozhikode and Indore. From these campuses, average packages sit around 25 to 30 plus LPA. Apart from IIMs, colleges like FMS Delhi, IIFT, MDI Gurgaon, XLRI Jamshedpur deliver extremely high packages with some touching more than 30 lakhs. You can have a look at the top 20 colleges in the table presented here. Now the cutoffs. To get a call from a Blackie IIM as a fresher engineer male candidate, you are generally looking at 99.5 percentile and above in CAT. So in numbers, let's have a look at the data for CAT 2025. Out of 2.58 lakh people who actually appeared for the test, 99.5 translates to a rank of around 1200. And if you consider top 20 colleges, you can get it even at 98.5, which translates to a rank of 3800. But here is the part most people miss. Your CAT percentile is not the only thing that is needed for your admission. It is possible that even a guy who got 99.9 percentile still get rejected from Blackie, and a guy who just got 99 or 98 converts it, because it depends on a lot of factors. IIMs look at full profile. Your 10th and 12th scores matter, but how much? Some colleges take that in account, some don't, right? Your CGPA of graduation matters. Your work experience matters. Not just the work experience, the quality of the work experience matters too. Any national or state level achievements matter, and your performance in interview and written ability test matter too. The key here is that do not just think that I have bad 10th and 12th, so the game is over for me. Criteria and weightage to these scores vary from college to college. That is why we have created AI Profile Evaluator. You will get a clear idea of the scores that you need for every specific college. If you quickly want to know what are the chances for you and how much score you actually need to score in CAT, check out our AI Profile Evaluator linked here. It is not just a random ChatGPT integration. We have trained an in-house model specifically for CAT. Do check it out. Just Google CrackU AI Profile Evaluator. If you are planning to take CAT, start building your profile now, and the best way is to work at a job after graduation. Getting real job work experience is one of the best ways to build your profile. And remember, wherever you work, always keep your payslips, not just the bank statements, your actual payslips. You will need them for verification of work experience. Now let's talk about the fees. It is around 18 to 25 lakhs for top IIMs. Yes, that's significant, but the salary you get in return keeps rolling every single year with increments. The math works out clearly over a 5 to 7 year horizon. The key insight: CAT is a high ceiling, high competition path. If you are willing to build toward a business and leadership career, the upside is genuinely one of the best in India. And can AI replace MBA jobs? Yes and no. The job roles of a manager, where strategic decision making is involved, human interaction is involved, these roles are very hard for AI to replace. Whereas the roles involving basic coding, designing, just Excel and PPT, and repetitive backend work, these job roles will be easily replaced by AI in near future. So keep that factor also in mind while choosing any career path. The more human interaction, the more real world decision making is involved, it is very hard for AI to replace these roles. That is why I have said, getting a good score wherever you go, in CAT or GATE, is very important to target high impact roles from best colleges. Section 4. Direct, honest comparison. Let's put it side by side now. First, on salary limit. Top IIM MBA wins clearly. The starting is higher, the upper limit is higher, and the growth trajectory is in management roles tend to accelerate faster in your 30s. Next, on job stability. PSU via GATE wins. No layoffs, government benefits, and pension structure. Third, on technical depth and domain mastery. MTech from a top IIT wins. If you want to be a genuine expert in your field, researcher or core engineer at a top MNC, this is your path. Fourth, on competition intensity. Both are brutal in their own way. Top 500 in GATE out of 2 lakh is roughly 0.25%. Top percentile in CAT, which can get you a good college with a good profile, is roughly around 2% or 1%. But looking at numbers and data, CAT is slightly easier because you can work on other factors too, like work experience and profile, which reduces your dependency on just score. Now wrapping up and coming to section 5, the final decision framework. Alright, so let's bring it all home. First, choose GATE plus PSU if you are valuing stability above everything. You want a respectable, secure government career. You are okay with a salary ceiling that's comfortable but not extraordinary. Second, choose GATE plus MTech from IIT if you are genuinely interested in your core engineering domain. You want deep expertise. You are targeting research, core tech roles, or academia. Third, choose CAT plus top MBA if you are energized by business, strategy, and leadership. You are willing to invest in building a strong all-round profile and you want extremely high salary packages. And here is the framework question to ask yourself right now. Where do you want to see yourself at 35 years old? In a stable government role with security and peace, in a technical expert field solving real engineering problems. Third, or in a boardroom startup or a consulting firm making high-stake decisions. Your answer to that question is your answer to GATE versus CAT for you. So to wrap up, few things to remember. First, the right path depends on who you are, not just what pays more. Second, two paths demand serious preparation. Do not underestimate either. And do not forget to check out our AI Profile Evaluator to get a better idea on how you should strategize your CAT preparation. If this video helped you get clarity, drop a comment below GATE or CAT. Which path are you leaning forward? I read every single comment. Also comment any further doubt if you have, or if you want us to review your profile, type in the details below, we will analyze and reply. So that was about this video. Let us know on what topic you want the next video and subscribe us for more content like this.